Hi there, today we're talking about Nexxus Clean and Pure Conditioner, a lightweight formula that moisturizes without weighing hair down. This conditioner uses ProteinFusion technology to heal damage and restore strength, elasticity, shine, and moisture. It's free from silicones, dyes, and parabens, making it gentle and detoxifying for your hair. With essential ingredients, it purifies and revives hair while locking in 24 hours of hydration. Perfect for dry hair, it brings the salon experience straight to your home. Crafted with proteins from nature's finest ingredients, it smooths and nourishes every strand. Experience healthier, shinier hair with Nexxus Clean and Pure Conditioner. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.